Oh my god, I'm so tired.
Are you tired from always wearing your special shoes to non-special occasions? Are there times when you're too lazy to take off your shoes? Do you get mad when you get your perfect shoes dirty? Well, we can rearrange that. Get our brand new fantastic Hmong Jordans! Woo! Applause.
Wear them whenever you want, however you want. Take less than 2 seconds to put it on. Easy to put on and easy to take off. How wonderful is that? Oh, my feet hurt.
Hmong Jordans can release pains.
Yay! You can also use Hmong Jordans to smack your enemies.
Buy our brand new Hmong Jordans. Comes in only green and blue. To order, please call 1-800-252-8334. Don't wait, call now. One pair is only $100. Call now, you'll get it cheaper by $99.99.
Buy Hmong Jordans. I'm loving it, and you will too. It's flexible, wearable, and waterproof.
And plus, everyone likes using Hmong Jordans to fight each other.
Everyone's buying it, you should too!